Good morning, this is Friday the 7th of November, and this is your ETX Capital Daily Market Bite. Overnight, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.4% to 1755.4.5. The S&P gained about 0.38% to 2031.2. And the Nasdaq, of course, added 0.38% to 4638.47. This was a lot due to an indication that European Central Bank would take more of a policy action if needed to boost a struggling Eurozone at the moment. Looking at FX now, the euro bought $123.84 after brushing a more than 2-year low of 123.68. The dollar traded up to 115.28 yen, not far from the fresh 7-year peak of 115.52 hit yesterday. The Japanese cabinet ministers, however, yesterday also did express concern about the yen's rapid fall, suggesting that the government may be trying to ward off criticism that is intentionally devaluing the currency. Looking at commodities now, spot coal pretty flat yesterday at about 11.41.70 an ounce, not far, of course, from the 4.5-year low. The stronger dollar continues to put pressure on oil prices. Brent dropped about 0.5% to 82.40 a barrel. US crude fell about 0.3% at 77.69 overnight as well. Equities now, looking at the national grid, said its first half pre-tax profit rose about 16%, helped by its UK business strength. Now, Sports Direct, Mike Ashley has sold his 4.6% stake he bought in Debenhams last month. Data today at 10:15 we've got Mark Carney speaking. Of course, he held the official bank rate yesterday about 0.5%. Further on from that, we've got at 1:30, of course, a massive day for traders. Non-farm employment forecast. Non-farm employment data. The forecast is at 235,000. We've also got an employment change at forecast about 6.8%. Further on from that, we've got Yellen speaking in Paris at 3:15, participating in a panel discussion. Discussions actually about policy since the onset of the financial crisis may be an interesting one to watch. Now, looking at the open today, we've got the CAC at 42.31, the FTSE at 65.67, and the DAX at 94.02.